Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you today how to install WordPress on your hosting website. So let us jump in. Over at the top of the page, we're going to go ahead and look for websites. Okay, and this is now from your H panel. From this page, we're going to go ahead and choose the website that we would like to add our WordPress to. So it's this one over here. We're going to go over and tap on Manage. Now over on the left-hand side, you will have a menu, and here you're going to go ahead and look for Website. Just underneath Website, you will have quite a few options, but the one you're looking for is Auto Installer. It'll now redirect you to this page, and you can see here that there is an optimized WordPress web builder. So we're going to tap on select, and here you're going to enter some details, right? So we need the website title. This can be any title you would like. We're also going to enter the administrator email, username, and password. Now, this should be auto-filled for you, but if it's not, you can go ahead and enter in all these details. Let's just put over here how to harbor. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and tap on next at the bottom of the page. And over here, we're going to leave the application version as is. You can now also just change your language preference, and then the update only to minor version. We're going to leave all of these settings as is. We're going to tap on install, and over here it says overwrite current files. Now, to install WordPress, you will need to overwrite your current file. So overwriting will delete your previous installation on your website domain. So this is a good time to know how to back up your website and all of your other data so that you don't lose any of your data. We're going to go ahead and tap on overwrite. We can see now that this is installed. You can go down over here, and if you want to just install an SSL certificate, you can go ahead and tap on install, and you can see that there are a few suggested plugins additional to that. And there you go, you're all sorted. If this video was helpful, go ahead, drop us a like, and we will see you next time. Peace.